freaking plane, cause
I've been need a bitch, I'm on a bitch need. Tryna find the one that can fix me. I've been dodging head in the 6 feet. Better lean on my stomach, feeling sickly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tunisia, if you don't already know. And as you may be able to tell by the title, today we're going into New York City. I don't really have an exact itinerary, but I do think we're going to the Edge in Hudson Rivers. We might be going to Soho, and we're probably just gonna walk around Manhattan for a bit. I'm with my mom, my cousin, and my sister, and I'm excited to take you guys along with me, so come along. So this is Tiana, you guys already know her. Please. This is Janelle, you guys haven't met her before. And this is Miss Trigda herself.
Hey, listen, Christ is coming back soon. Give your life to Jesus. Okay, 'tis the season. He gave his life for you. He died on the cross for you. So
okay. Guys, is it just me or is it giving Black Kris Jenner?
No, this is not Black Kris Jenner. This is Black Carly Morrison. The one and only. God bless.
Icon.
Right?
Everyone sits awkwardly.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Guys, we're in the subway. In New York, sunken jungles that Jesus made up. Nothing you can't do. Woo. Damn, that was a lot of stairs. You serious? Yeah guys, so you just got to New York. It was a really quick train ride actually. Alright guys, we're here. We're making our way to the exit to Madison Square Gardens right now. I want to see a celebrity today, not gonna lie. Tiana, who do you want to see? Which celeb?
Who do I want to see?
Yeah.
If I don't see Bretman Rock.
Bretman Rock. Not the Bretman Rock. Bretman Rock?
Yeah.
I know this is very unlikely, but I would love to see Zach Jelks, aka Ungoose. But we're just walking the streets. We're walking to the Edge. It's a 10-minute walk. Right now we're on 10th Street, heading over to 33rd Street, I see. And the weather is actually pretty good. We picked a good day. And yeah. Okay guys, we're in the edge of the building. Yeah. See, wait, hold on. Okay, that's better. The one thing I like about New York is that you could vlog and you can have a whole camera out and no one's gonna pay attention to you. Like, it's the norm. There's so much chaos that no one cares about a camera. But when I'm at home in my usually town, everyone's staring and looking, and I'm like, you guys just don't get it, do you? So here I'm comfortable, like I'm literally walking in a mall.
The Edge is upstairs.
Recording. Oh, the Edge is up there. And nobody cares. Oh, anyways. do a little aesthetic clip moment, shall we? Guys, so I'm currently at Zara. I just tried this top on and it's so cute, so I'm gonna get it. The shorts are too small and I'm getting that white top. She doesn't want to go to the edge. She's boring. You're annoying. Alright guys, we're currently at Chipotle. So guys, we're at Chipotle right now. I'm eating. It's currently 4:24. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing right now. Okay guys, so I have some not so great news. We came back to the vessel and the line was crazy, like it was so long, and it turned out it was like a 3.5-hour wait. So we're not gonna bother doing it today. We're gonna come back another time and do it. So yeah. We're about to go to like this view though, that's like right by here, and see what's going on there. So I'll show you guys if it's actually anything amusing.
When to chill, always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough.
Hey guys, so we're at the High Line. This is our replacement for the Edge. It's really cool, some really pretty views. Oh my gosh, wait, this gives yeah, so we're just walking. Basically the High Line is just like this really long bridge road type of thing, but it's like above, kind of above New York, so you get a really good view of the roads and like the city and just the landscape in general. So yeah, this is actually super nice, super cute. Yeah, we got some pictures as well. Tiana, how do you feel? She's obviously feeling herself, as we can tell. Rate your day. 8. What was your favorite part of today? We went to Zara. Okay, we could do Zara outside of New York City, babes, but I guess it's not the same. I somewhat agree. Zara here does have some nice stuff, I must say. Mommy, what do you think about your day? Rated?
It's wonderful so far.
1 out of 10?
My ear shows it all.
What was your favorite part of today?
Shopping.
Okay, same as Tiana, very materialistic over here. Janelle, how was your day?
It was good.
I rate it 1 to 10.
10.
Good. What was your favorite part of today?
Just walking.
Walking on the skyline?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. So I'll keep you guys updated on what we do next.
Love again.
we're walking like past apartments and stuff as we're on the skyline, and these apartments are so nice. I took a couple videos and I'm gonna post a reel over on my Instagram, so go follow me to check them out at Tunisia_M. Gonna be super good. Guys, this highline thing, it just keeps going and going and going, and I'm tired. I'm ready to go. Huh?
21-minute walk.
And it's a 21-minute walk. I'm literally about to cry. What is going on here? We have 21 minutes to walk back to the train station. She's making a TikTok, guys. TikToker in the wild. TikToker in the wild. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it would have ate down if those people weren't in the way. Guys, when I tell you tired isn't even the word, my feet are sore. It's giving just got done with track practice, plus just got done with the track meet, plus just got done with the marathon, plus just got done with long distance. Like, I'm tired, and as you can tell, so is everyone else. You look crazy. Crazy eyes. Sipping on some lemonade. Carlene, how are you feeling? You heard that? She said, leave me alone. So obviously someone is tired and a little cranky. So I think I'm gonna wrap the vlog up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Tunisia_M. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.
Yeah. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box with